been a little while since I pulled this out. Camera's out of batteries. I'm gonna have to plug it in. But I just realized I'm about to make hamburger buns, and I haven't showed you guys how I make my hamburger buns yet. So let's do that. I have to make a coffee first though, and I have to find my charger. So I'm going to do that, and then we're gonna start making hamburger buns. I have not pulled out my camera in a while. As you can tell, my voice is still shot to shit. I am still not feeling all that great, but I'm starting to get my energy back, and I think that has to do with the fact that the weather is not hotter than Satan's asshole anymore. So that's nice. But yeah, so we're gonna make some hamburger buns for dinner tonight, and I think that's it. I don't think we're gonna do anything else. I think we're just gonna have hamburgers for dinner tonight, but I definitely need coffee first. Say hi. That was enthusiastic. I know I would subscribe. Subscribe to that shit. That's better. Thank you. You gotta shake it off. No, shake off the fart. No, better. No.
Process of how the state
I'm gonna eat it. Look at my hamburger. Look at
It's not a hamburger, it's a hamburger bun.
my hamburger. That's gonna be a hamburger.
Okay.
It's a cheeseburger. You did a bun, did you?
No, I didn't. It's a cheeseburger.
Right.
Okay, Dara's burger. What are we putting on your burger, Dara? Cheese.
Cheese salad.
And
Ketchup.
since kind of teaching myself how to cook and bake and do all of those things is hamburger buns, and actually any kind of bread product at all. It is such a game changer when it comes to saving money or making your groceries stretch a little bit. Like, it's one thing when you're going grocery shopping and you're meal planning and whatever, if you want to buy hamburger buns, then buy hamburger buns, or a loaf of bread for sandwiches or whatever. That's totally fine, absolutely fine. But when I am trying really hard to stretch whatever groceries it is that we have in our fridge or freezer to the next week, one thing I've found that's been very, very helpful is learning how to make those products that go with the meat, because we don't necessarily always want like a shepherd's pie or spaghetti or any of that kind of stuff. We don't necessarily always want to barbecue just chicken or whatever, but we wanted burgers tonight. And the fact that I was able to basically make everything from scratch, lucked out because we had a tomato and I have onions and I always have pickles, gotta have pickles, and always have all those things that are very necessary for making burgers. But obviously we didn't have any burger buns because it wasn't part of our plans. But being able to make those burger buns is just a life changer, and they're so good and really so easy to make and don't take a whole lot of time. I had to turn my camera off for a second because my kitchen got busy and chaotic and kids were going to bed and life happened for a minute, so I just turned it off for a sec, and now it's dark in my kitchen. Anyways, it's dark in my kitchen now and I'm not really in the mood to turn any lights on, so I'm just gonna come back and you're just gonna have to deal with the darkness because Hello, darkness, my old friend. Oh my god, my throat. I need to stop talking. That's all I got for today. I have to go and get some work done. I realized, actually,
You should totally get one of those.
my TikTok has gone over 3,000 now. So, just a quick update on how that's working out. Oops. On how that's working out. It's going really well. So, very exciting stuff. Very, very happy how that's going. And yeah, that's all I got though. Hit all the buttons, do all the things, and we will see you next time. Honestly, I have no idea.